Dear John Paul, 1965 Cobra. Just built you a beautiful 347 Ford engine. Engine's fully tested, pulley kit's on there, timing set, carburetor's on there. We'll be removing the carburetor intake and distributor because you're using your Inglace fuel injection, stack injection system, and you're putting your own distributor in. But the engine was fully tested, perfect oil pressure, good vacuum, coolant temperature is perfect. Ran great. I'll fire it up again. Alright, you're all set. Appreciate your business. Thank you.